This is no leaky pipe, and I'm no plumber. It's a lot more fun than that. This is a steam bender. We're gonna bend some wood. Check this out. So let's get to it. Be careful. So a lot of people have been asking me about this steam bender I've been working with, and believe it or not, this thing has been in the making for almost a decade. I actually built the main body of it about 8 or 9 years ago. The pipe itself is simply a standard 4-inch PVC tube, and it's powered by a Parkside wallpaper steamer, and that's what lets the steamer hose fit right into the setup. Bucks tops. I grabbed a reducer that took it from 4 to 2 inches and a bushing or two so I could take the 4-inch pipe down to a 1-inch opening total. There's also a piece of 3/4 inch PVC that runs out of that last bushing that I connected to the hose with a hose clamp. So we got the steamer up and running. We started experimenting with small strips of wood. Now generally they say do not try to bend kiln dried lumber, but I'm not going to use my nice green or air dried lumber just yet until I learn this machine. So I took some kiln dried cherry I had and ran it through the bandsaw. I would probably do this anyway, but I decided to soak the wood in my rainwater tank overnight. This particular barrel is really useful because of the lip at the top. So these pieces of wood at this length actually sit underwater without having to be weighted down. About 24 hours later, we take the wood out and it's time to put the wood into the steamer. But first, let's take a look at this pretty wet lumber. So nice. So nice. Nice and thin. It's going to give us a chance to experiment with this bender, and we may fail. I'm excited and optimistic. Dadgummit, we broke the first one. Apologize for that, but this is experimental and we're going to keep trying. It's about the journey and not the destination. And it's not about perfection, it's about trying new things. So we built our own forms. I watched a bunch of videos and I tried it out. And here we have some of the wood being pressed into shape. And here you can see some of the bent wood coming out of the jig. And we're so proud of that. If you want to see us fail and succeed at bending wood, come check out my live stream. We'd love to see you there. Check out my other videos. Subscribe, like, and share this with a friend. Love y'all. Take care.